How to safely cut an avocado. Place the avocado on a cutting board and with a sharp knife, rotate it towards the edge of the blade. Now that you have that incision made, you can turn the avocado and do the same cut again. Let's do another incision. And we rotate it towards the edge of the knife. Since we have these two axes marked, it will be much easier to separate the avocado. We have 4 equal portions that will make removing the seed much more manageable and safe without using a knife, which is the easiest way to remove the seed. Now let's remove the skin, also without using the knife. It's very simple. Take one end and peel it. Now you can cut the avocado to make it look pretty. Cut fine vertical strips. To cut into tubes, first cut horizontally and then vertically. And now we have our avocado ready to eat, beautiful and chopped with the safest technique.